Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm just going to talk a little bit about this LED lights that I got from Costco. And this is a Intertek light set. They were $29.99 in Canada. And this is the box that it comes in. Doesn't really say much on the box. It is a 24-foot color changing tape light kit. Indoor use only, 2 linkable 12-foot strands. It's dimmable, and you plug it into your regular AC outlet. On the back, it says, comes with the adapter, comes with a wireless remote control. It comes with 26 screws, 12 silicone clips, 3M tape adhesive on the back, and it's somewhat flexible and movable. And yeah, that's it. It's actually very simple. So this is it here, and like it says, it doesn't really come with a lot of stuff, but it comes with this little package of these little clips, and screws are inside, and that will go around the tape. And it also has some clips for the wiring as well. And then for the back of your remote, it has this thing here, and that shows you the different functions that it has. It's in English or French. You could tape that on, or not tape it on, but it's peel and stick, so you stick that on. And it comes with this remote, and here's the remote that it comes with. It's really nice, actually. It's very simple, easy to use, and let's just show you some of the things that it does here. Oh, and plugging it in. So you have your other strip, and it has, is this the right end? No, I think it's the other end. Alright, so this end like this. Yeah, there we go. It's not really going to focus on it. Let me get out of the way. There, that's a good focus. So this end just plugs right into the other end. So you could have this here, and I could just plug it in. And there you go, the lights are on. This is the dimmable one. So you can dim it down. And then brighten it back up. Oh, that's alright. So there's 3 settings. 1, 2, 3. So 4 settings. And then we have what you could do. It's got the different colors. So it has red and green, is that it? Blue. Oh, I see. That's neat. Oh, so it scrolls through each one. Oh, that's a neat color. You guys see that? Maybe I'll move this up a little bit. Alright, let's try that again. So it has the different colors. Okay. And then it does some different tricks. So it's got different chase sequences. And then you have just different sequences that it runs through. I think I can speed that up. There we go. So that just changes direction. And there's chase, and then there's this one that goes through the different kinds. I guess all the different types that it has. Yeah, that's neat. It's almost like the heartbeat one. Then this one just continues to flash. Anyway, so there's a lot of features. Alright, so originally I went to Home Depot and I bought a different brand than the Intertek, and theirs was also a nice product, but it was $80 for roughly the same size. It was slightly longer, but all sort of the same features. Came with a remote, AC adapter, all that stuff, right? It was $80, so it's really expensive compared to this. So I had to buy a couple of these for some projects. So I saved something like $125 with tax or something buying 2 of these from Costco. So it was a huge savings. So if you're in the market for these tape light kits, Costco seems to be the place to buy them. And like I said, this is the Intertek version. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching.